How to see login activity on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Snapchat application. Then tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. After that, go to the gear icon from your top right corner. Then you will see the option of session management in my account section. Go there. And all the logins will appear in this section. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is tap on it and it will give you an option of removing that device, removing your account from that device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.